free website builder with free domain and hosting. So I'm going to show you how you can build a website just like this. So let's get right into it. So all that you have to do is simply go to Google, then from Google search, come and search for Odoo. Okay, this is the spelling, and then hit enter. What that comes, come and then select the official site of Odoo by clicking on it. Okay, so when you click on it, it's going to bring you right here to the website. So from here it says start now, it's free. Yes, it's totally free. So what you have to do is just look at the top and come and click on the apps, and then from the website simply come and then select blog. Okay, click on the blog, and then when you click on it, over here you have the options to create a free forever website. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply come and click on start now, it's free, and then you have to come and then create an account. Okay, so to create an account you have to put in your first and last name, your email address, your company name is going to be your domain name. Okay, so choose the right one, and then come and then select your country, you put in your company name size, you put in your phone number, you come and select the language, and then come and then select the primary interest. Okay, so for the primary interest, come and select use it in my company. Okay, after selecting it, all that you have to do is simply come and then click on start now. Okay, so when you click on it, you are successfully, and then you have successfully created your account. Over here, come and then click on let's do it. Okay, and then they are asking you what do you want. Simply come and then select a blog. Okay, so let's select a blog, and then they are going to ask you for what. Okay, so I'm simply going to choose phones, so I'm going to use the blog to blog about phones. Okay, and then over here your primary objectives, I'm simply going to select to develop the brand. Okay, and then the next thing you have to do is simply come and then choose a color palette. Okay, so I'm simply going to go through and then select this one. Okay, by clicking on it. The next thing is that you have to come and then add some page and features. Okay, so I'm going to add the about us page. It's very important. They have also added the news page for us, and let me add some more. So I'm going to add the stores locator, and then I'm going to also add the privacy as well. It's also important. Okay, after that, simply come down and I come and click on build my website, and you have to come and then select a theme. Okay, any of these theme, when you put the mouse on it, it's going to show from the top to the bottom how the theme is going to look like. You can come and then click on view more themes to show more themes. So I'm simply going to select one of it, and then simply sit back, relax, and then wait for your website to be created for you. So as you can see, we have successfully created our website within some few minutes. Okay, so that is it, and then it has been created on a free domain. Okay, so over here you can come and then put in your own logo here, and then you have your menus as well. You can do any changes that you want here by simply coming to click on the edit button, and then you can change anything on the website. Okay, and then as you can see, the website is published, and it is published on a free domain name. So this is your domain name. Okay, so it is simple, and then it uses your company's name. Okay, so that is it. Okay, over here the next thing I have to do is simply come and then click on pending activation, and then when you click on it, you have to go to your email address and then confirm your email address. Okay, so all that you have to do now is simply go to your inbox and then come and then check for this message, click on it, and then the next thing I have to do is that, as you can see, your domain name has been created on Odoo. Okay, and all that you have to do is simply come and then click on activate your dashboard. So to activate it, you have to come and then create a password, you confirm the password, and then simply come and then click on activate your database. That is it. It's as easy as that. And then over here you can come and then invite your members. Okay, you put in their name and then their email address, and then you come and then click on send invite. But I'm simply going to click on skip, and we are all done. Okay, the next thing that you have to do is simply come and then click on your domain to go to your website. So let's click on it, and we are within the website. So this is how to create a free website with a free website builder, and then a domain and hosting as well. Like the video, and then see you in my next video.